All right, what's up, y'all? We're here in Clark Summit. Today, customer is stuck inside of their garage vehicle as well because their torsion spring has broke and the cable has come off the door. This is a regular issue. Springs have a lifespan about 7 to 10 years. So we'll change the spring, get them back in service. As you see right now, to lift this door up, it's not going anywhere. So I'll let you see the after. All right, guys, we're back in Clark Summit. Got that spring repaired and changed. You see now, we'll pull the emergency release. The door goes up easily by hand.